Research shows that a 5% increase in customer retention can result in a profit increase anywhere from 25 to 95%. So creating a B2B experience that supports customer retention is more important than ever. To do this, you can create customer-specific catalogs that include a curated list of products for those customers along with their contracted pricing. Your sales rep should have an experience that mimics the customer's experience so that they can provide support in context. And you should also be able to curate product lists for your customers as a way to suggest and recommend products specific to them. So these are the different items that I'm going to show in the demonstration today. So in this example, we have our B2B site here. This is our Elastic Path demo site. And I have a B2B catalog that I've set up. And we can see the first thing is that I need to log in to place orders. I can see and review the full selection of products associated with the standard catalog, arranged in a way that facilitates ease of ordering. I can click into products to get to the description. But as a customer, what's really important in a B2B context is I see product and price that is relevant to me. Meaning, usually B2B organizations have set up contract pricing and contract around specific products that their customers buy. So for example, if I log in as Bob Smith, who works for a company called ICP, we're going to log in and we're going to see our experience change. The first thing is Bob is going to choose which account he's going to purchase for, his West Coast division or the main ICP division. So once I have that selected, now we'll see the logon happen and we'll see our experience change. We see that it's now geared towards ICP Incorporated, the company that Bob works for, and now his catalog experience is specific to their organization. We want to make buying easy for customers in the B2B space. So he can look at his contract catalog. He can also see the parts and accessories that he's contracted to purchase. But if I look here for our full product list, I can see that we're going to see a similar experience as we saw before, where I can now, again, order very quickly. So the speed by which orders get placed in the B2B space looks a lot different than a traditional D2C type of experience. We want to make that ordering experience very easy, so we show the whole listing of products for a specific category. And now we can actually just quickly add a specific product to cart. So I can click add to cart and just add this product specifically. But if I'm doing my buying across a monthly order, for example, I just want to scroll down, quickly choose those particular products that I want, right? I need all of these things. And now I can add all to my cart. And of course, we want to be able to save those carts. So Bob might be buying for multiple projects within his organization. So we want to enable the ability to create a cart. So this is maybe our Charlotte Highway project. I can create that cart. And now I can, as the person who's doing the ordering, we can see all of my products have been added to my cart that I've added here. And now I can go through and transact. So we'll quickly just go through the checkout just to see the process to the end, right? I've got multiple addresses that I can leverage. I can create a new address and select my shipping. We want it express. And of course, we can support both credit card and ordering from a purchase order. So I'm gonna use my purchase order and very quickly place my order. So that was Bob with ICP, and now he's going to see his order. And of course, in his account, he can see all of his saved cards, see all of his previous orders. But what I want to do next is log out and log back in as a different customer. So we're back to our homepage here, and I'm going to log in now as a sales rep. And similar to Bob, I'm going to choose my account. But now as a sales rep, when I choose my account, it's not different locations within the same account, although it can be. In this case, we have the two customer accounts that Julie's sales rep supports, ICP and LP. So I'm actually going to choose LP here. And we'll see, again, similar to what we saw with ICP. Now I see that this is LP fabrication. I have a different selection of products. I have different pricing. I can again drill into all of my products and see the products associated with LP fabrication and go through that same process. But now I'm doing order on behalf of a sales rep, like a sales rep would for their customers. So with that, I just want to now toggle back to Commerce Manager with an Elastic Path and just walk through the steps on how we can set up very quickly and efficiently a B2B product catalog. So here I am now in Commerce Manager and just want to show the setup that we use on the back end to support that front end experience that we showed. So I'm going to drill into my catalogs here and we can see that I have my two catalogs set up, LP contract catalog and my ICP contract catalog. So if I click into ICP, we can see the price book, right? So this is ICP's contract pricing that they've set up with the organization, and they have their contract catalog and they have parts and accessories, right? That's exactly what we saw on the front end experience. Now, how do we make sure that anybody associated with ICP gets this experience? Because remember that consistency of experience is what drives the ability to create and retain customers within the organization. So that's done simply through clicking on rules. And now when I look at my rules for ICP, we can see I've selected which catalog they have access to, the ICP catalog. I can put that on a schedule if I need to, if we release subsequent catalogs, for an example. But now I've just assigned the ICP account to this catalog. So any user associated with the ICP account will always get the products that ICP is contracted for with their contracted price. So the one last thing that I wanted to show around B2B customer experiences and the flexibility of the Elastic Path catalog is around setting up specific pricing for those contract catalogs. I want to drill in a little bit deeper on the contract pricing concept as well. You saw that we can manage multiple price books to support the unique pricing that each B2B customer has. But we take that even a layer deeper and allow for more granular pricing at the individual contract level. For example, if I take a look at a particular product that we're using on our B2B site, this product is set up across multiple customers. So we'll just take a look at the pricing tab here. And you can see I have pricing for ICP, I have pricing for LP, and then I have our standard B2B price book. So very quickly I can see exactly who is contracted for this product and what their price is. But you can see if I scroll down a little, I also can do volume pricing and I can do sale pricing. But what's really cool here is that that's done by price list as well. So for instance, if I want to add a volume level, you can see I have contract bulk pricing for LP. Now I want to go ahead and add that. You can see I can add it for any price book that this product belongs to, and we'll set up our volume-based pricing for ICP now. So if they buy 10 of these, I can give them a volume price maybe of $9.75, and we'll add level. So again, we have a great deal of granularity at the price book level as well that allows the merchandiser, if they want to create a unique experience for a particular customer or a particular tier of customers, we support that natively as well. So now I've got a price level for ICP and I have my price levels for LP as well. So we'll go ahead and add one more for ICP. And let's say we'll make this one, we'll make it $9. And now we have some bulk pricing for ICP as well. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, just a small increase in customer retention can result in a dramatic increase in profits. We know that millennials are the greatest population of B2B buyers today. So ensuring that they have a very sort of B2C-like experience in the B2B environment, and you curate those customer-specific experiences, we recognize their pricing, we recognize their specific catalog, is very important. And the last bit, as you saw, is the sales rep experience. So being able to ensure that the sales people that support those customers have access to the same environment. So for consistency across channels, we support that natively as well.